Hi guys, this is Alan from Shanghai Colorjet Industry Printing Company. Today I show you how to clean the print head by cleaning liquid. First, we need to open the print head cover. Then open the cover. Make sure the printer is off. Use toilet paper to protect the print head cover pot. Like this. Take out the dampers one by one. Use a small plastic bags to catch. And use these syringe tubes. This is cleaning liquid. Make sure this protect well. Tubes connect to print head channel. Print head push it. This time must be slowly and tightly. Can't use much power. Must be slowly and lightly. After cleaning well, back to print head. Connect well. This is finished. And check print head cable port dry. Then finish back the print head cover.